I fixed my cold air intake. It's not rubbing against my shift selector now, so my shifting is a lot better than it was. Cannot complain. Having some fun in the whip. Some of that K24. This thing flies. I just got gas earlier. I was at a half a tank. That's just for me driving around town today, messing around. Literally, guys, I'm almost on E again, just from like hitting vtec and stuff. Better stop. I better lay off that vtec before I go broke. So make sure you guys like, drop your comments down below, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you soon. Also, I have some really good news to share with you guys. I don't even want to drop it. I'm so excited to tell you guys right now. I gotta keep it cool. Just know there's another car coming to the channel. It's going to be sick. I'm so excited. It's clean. You guys are gonna be shocked. So can't wait till I pick it up. It's not gonna be this week. It'll probably be in like 2 weeks from now. So stay tuned. I gotta go pick it up. It's a couple towns over. I gotta rent a dolly and stuff because it's the shell. It's just the shell. So that's all I'm saying right there, guys. If you can guess what car it is, drop your comments down below. And I'm excited. This is gonna be the new chapter for the channel. And we're still gonna have Midnight, obviously. Do not worry, she's not going anywhere. But we're gonna have 2 sick builds, guys. I'll see you soon. Peace out. Feels good to be home. Little dinner snack tonight. I got some salmon and avocado sushi right here. And for dessert, these are dark chocolate peanut butter cups, Justin's. Definitely recommend them if you haven't tried them yet. And most importantly, got our agua. Got to keep hydrated. Try to drink a lot of water every day. It's really good for you. And yeah, I'm gonna relax. I'm tired, guys. Been driving all week, so I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned for some sweet content coming soon. Peace out.